Welcome to the installation, commissioning and operation guide of JKF8-12 Intelligent Low Voltage Reactive Power Automatic Compensating Controller. Before starting, disconnect the power supply and wear insulating gloves and protective glasses. The necessary tools include insulated gloves, wire strippers, wire crimping pliers, wires of appropriate specifications, wire noses, screwdrivers and multimeter. Before starting installation, please read the instructions carefully, check the parameters of the wiring diagram on the controller to ensure that the controller model matches the intended working conditions, and select a suitable installation location. The method of installing the controller is to first drill a hole at a suitable position in the cabinet with a size of 113 by 113 millimeters. Align the controller wiring terminal with the hole, and then gently push to overlap the panel with the hole. There are mounting holes on the top and bottom of the controller. Insert the hook of the fastening accessory into the hole, and use an electric screwdriver to rotate the screw on the accessory clockwise to fix the controller on the cabinet. Before starting the wiring procedure, make sure that the wires connected to the product are correctly identified. First, use wire strippers to strip the wires, making sure the exposed copper wires are of moderate length, with 1.5 square millimeter wires for voltage and control outputs and 2.5 square millimeter wires for current sampling. Next, use wire crimping pliers to crimp the wire nose to the end of the copper wire to ensure the reliability of the connection. Ports 1 to 12 are connected to the respective capacitor bank switching contactors, and COM, US2, and US1 are connected to power supplies L1, L2, and L3 respectively. IS1, IS2 are connected to current transformers. Finally, use a hand screwdriver, tighten the wires until the screws reach the end. The wiring task is complete when you complete these steps. After power, observe whether the product is normal. If you encounter any issues, please refer to the troubleshooting guide. We provide diagnostic methods and solutions for common faults. For more information, please visit our official website or get in touch with our local representatives for assistance.